If you love cars, you need to go to Eureka Springs, Arkansas in August, not only to drive on their amazing windy roads, but to check out the Ozark Euro Rally and Volkswagen Parade. The parade in theory is only for Volkswagens, but we did see a bunch of other cars in the mix. And the rally is for all Deutsche Autoliebhaber, or in English, German car enthusiasts. Not only do you get to visit the unique town of Eureka Springs, but you get to eat some good food, see some dope cars, and meet cool people that love cars just as much as you do. So without further ado, this is how it went down at the 2025 Ozark Euro Rally and Volkswagen Parade.
Anyway, the little box I've got looks like, what, 3 rubber bands and a paper clip in there right now. Well, I discovered that a deck of cards will fit inside this box. I'll put the cards in the box and snap my finger, and they're gone. What the? So I can put the rubber bands and paper clips and small things in there now.
Damn.
That was sick. That was sick.
Can you bring it back?
It's a vanishing deck. It's not an appearing deck.
You can't reverse the magic trick.
After you leave, it'll come back.
Dave. That's sweet. What was your name?
I'm Barry.
Barry. Tony. Nice to meet you.
Elliot. Nice to meet you too.
Anthony.
Yeah. Very good.
So the event starts the evening prior with a unique way to get visitors to pre-register and to check out the town. Participants meet at the Travelers Inn, where they pre-register and they're given a map and instructions on a way to play a unique game of poker. The game of poker consists of going to about 14 different locations throughout the town, and each of those businesses has a deck of cards. So if you go to all 14 locations, you can have a 14 card hand. Somebody ended up getting royal flush somehow, I don't know how, but my buddy Elliot got a goodie bag, and this is what we got.
Good bag. Let's see the shirt for the year. I like it. I wanted gray, but we got gray. I'll have to wear this tomorrow. So the poster is basically this. I remember because last year was the same as the shirt. Got another travel guide. Got some stickers, air freshener, 2 koozies. Yeah, more.
Ain't more.
That's about it. Yeah.
Solid. Yeah, and then they got the whole community out here. After checking out what we got in the goodie bag, I decided to go around and take some pictures. The lighting looked freaking amazing. Oh my gosh. It was golden hour, sunset, trees in the background, cool streaks of light. The paint was like shimmering, the headlights were glistening, and everything just looked amazing. I got the best pictures of the trip just in like 30 minutes just in this session. After we wrapped up there, we decided to head back to the Airbnb to get some rest for the event tomorrow. The next day, we woke up, grabbed some breakfast, and headed out to the event. Once we were able to park, we were able to get the camera set up and get the ball rolling. I ran the usual program, strapped the camera to my chest, took some pictures, and yammered to myself about whatever was on my mind. Cool, now we're in sync.
We are at the 2025 Eureka Springs Ozark Euro Rally. Pretty cool event, well organized, but as you can tell, a lot of Germans.
Those wheels are sick. I love the blue and white. It'd be kind of cool to create like a quick video edit where I take a picture of the wheels and then have them like flash back and forth.
Yeah, this is a Rotto. It's pretty sweet.
Where the hell did he go?
Little Tiguan. Some of these SUVs are pretty sweet. Yeah, it's got Lambo wheels.
I was like looking, and I was like, what the heck? That was dope. On that? Shit. I couldn't afford it.
I thought you were asking me. You want it broke off, yeah. Oh, that's like
The spicy VW, as they call it. That's so clean.
you know, and I'm like, dang.
Did I already take a picture of this car? I don't know.
Is that the same type of car you have?
Yeah, but it's a newer one. Oh, look who it is.
Yeah. Dude, look at this. They got the little
Oh, see, I wanted to do this in my car.
And the lens flare. Sick as fuck.
Bless you. You have been blessed in front of Christ.
Is that some holy music?
It kind of sounds like it. They weren't playing holy music last year. There it is.
Man, that is a big Jesus.
Yep, pretty big.
Try and record some of this music. Some holy Jesus music for you and the family.
It's got a great view. Dedicated in 1966. 340 tons of concrete, interlaced with steel, virtually welded into the rock. The face is approximately 15 feet in height.
Damn, imagine when it was just like on the ground.
Yeah.
It's huge.
My savior. My redeemer. We'll see a good view tonight at the Crescent Hotel. That's it, yeah. Isn't it so funny how it faces directly towards Jesus?
My eyes. Just like stared into the sun. I was looking at the Jesus, and then I'd go out of the shadow, and then the sun is like blasting my eyes.
Yeah, so I was telling Anthony, up over the mountains,
Oh yeah.
that's the Crescent Hotel over there.
Oh, I see you. It's not the Croissant Hotel.
No, it is not the Crescent Hotel.
Man, that thing is huge.
Ah, dang it. This is where I needed my binoculars. We can always come back up here before we leave.
Nice.
Yeah, I can see how that town floods because it's a dip down and then back up.
What do you think?
Breathtaking.
Breathtaking.
The Crescent Hotel.
Yeah, this big one can zoom pretty far.
It's putting on the attachments.
Loading.
Loading.
Beep boop, beep boop. Wonder if I could see up Jesus's nose. I guess they got some sort of tents over here.
Yeah, they have like a raffle over here and stuff.
Woo woo woo. Woo 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 woo. Got all the shirts. What they got going on. What are you getting?
Raffle tickets.
Raffle tickets, nice.
This year, my buddy Elliot had paid about $20 for tickets, and we were able to score a little something for everybody. They had Hot Wheels, they had air fresheners and t-shirts and candles and VW birdhouses. They had a little something everybody could enjoy. After taking pictures for a while, I met up with my buddy Brandon because he had mentioned prior that he had scored big on the raffle last year. He had won a set of Rotiform wheels and I wanted to check out what he got. Hey, yo. This is Brandon. You want to say hello?
Hi.
We're here at the Euro Rally and he brought his, what'd you bring today?
I brought my 2015 TDI 6-speed. Ooh, fuzzy.
Yeah.
It's cool. Do I hold it up to my mouth or?
That should be all right. You were telling me that you got the wheels from the rally last year.
I did. I actually won them. I'm happy with them.
How does the raffle work?
You buy a bunch of tickets. I think it's 100. I believe. Shoot, what was it? It's 30 for 100, 20 for 5, and I think they have like a 1 for a $5 option.
Nice. And you just happened to score the lucky.
I did. It's the better of these, and they sent the aero disc with them. I love Rotiform, but they're just a big hubcap. So these are the wheels I won, and Rotiform actually sent me the disc and the lug nuts. So the whole thing was like $1,600. I'm like, for a $100 investment, and I won a Lego set and like a $300 gift card to a Porsche website, which I pretty much sold to my buddy for a meal. I actually came down, I towed that with my trailer over there, my bike, and at one point I was going 100. I couldn't even tell it was behind there. This is my wife.
Are we on video?
Yes.
Oh, hi.
Love you, babe. Yeah, it towed it like there's nothing behind. This, I bought it at a middle of the nowhere thrift store or an antique mall, and I'm gonna clean it all up, and I'm gonna paint it like a Volkswagen bus. I usually spend 100, 150 out the raffles. Even if I don't win anything, it goes back to the car show, which is what I like. This is my 2007 BMW GSA R1200. We did trailer it up to Yellowstone, but I drove it around Yellowstone, drove it through the Grand Tetons, Spearfish Canyon. We actually went from South Dakota down to Kansas City all in one day. It's like a 12-hour trip. My back was surprisingly fine. These things are comfortable. Like, you hit a big bump and you're like, and it's like, doo-doo. This one just cruises, it's smooth, it's quiet, which I like.
Nice.
I recently did the rear oil change, and then the final drive oil, replaced that, did the brakes, the valves, all the maintenance. And what's cool is it's not loud. But I want to say it's 0 to 60 in 3.4 seconds.
Nice.
I popped a wheelie one time and it scared the hell out of me. I don't have a lot of expensive stuff, but I have a lot of cool, weird stuff. So does my wife. It's me. It's me. I'm the weird one.
Well, I appreciate your time.
Yeah, well, I appreciate you.
After walking around the event and standing in the sun, it kind of wears you down, and we wanted some energy for the parade later. So we decided to wrap up and head out. We were fortunate enough to book an Airbnb that was literally on the road that the parade was going through. So once 3 o'clock rolled around, we just walked out the front door and boom, there was the parade. All right, after walking all day, standing in the heat, it's about 3 o'clock and we're gonna have the parade here soon. Got the, it's like literally happening right now. Personally, I'd never seen so many Volkswagens in my life. They had vans, they had buggies, they had these bike things that looked like mono wheels or something. I don't even know. It was a lot of fun. I would recommend it. Overall, I had a great time. Me and my friends had a lot of fun, and I would strongly recommend you checking it out, especially if you love cars, and even more so if you're a German car enthusiast. When you're planning your trip down to Eureka Springs and you're a car enthusiast, I strongly recommend checking out the Ozark Euro Rally website for upcoming event information. So that is a wrap on this one. My name is Tony, and you can let me know what your favorite German vehicle is down in the comments. Prost.